Hello, it's Turn the Sky. Today we're flying drones. Jamar, tell me what we're doing.
We're going to tell you how to fly a Phantom.
You have one glove and one hand.
Yes, that'll do. So guys, here's the sticks on a Phantom controller. Any DJI controller will be very similar. So, the first stick, the one on the left. So you move it up, the aircraft will go up. Let it go, it'll hover in place.
Center itself.
Center itself, yeah. If you put it this way, it'll go
It'll turn.
Turn left. This way, turn right. Down, it'll go down. Push it all the way down, it locks it.
On some of them.
On this one.
This one is up and down. This one's turn.
Okay, so now on to the second stick. This one's go forward, like move it forward. Go back and move left and move right.
So this is your direction one.
Yeah, and that's your height and
That's
speed
height
one.
and turn.
Yeah.
Or your altitude, your yaw, your pitch, and your roll.
So to take off, you have to do the CSC. You see that in there?
Yeah.
So put them both there. Then the propellers will spin up. Then just
The propeller's just spinning up.
just slowly push up.
And it's using its GPS. Tip number 1 from John Martin.
Don't send it really fast forwards.
And
And then just let go of the stick. Don't do this. Because it takes like a lot of battery, doesn't it?
yes.
Yeah, so what to do is go slow, go fast and just slowly bring it back.
It will still do GPS thingy, but
Don't like fly off.
yeah.
Okay. So next thing, to put the going up into like practice, you just like push it up. And you'll go up. And you're going down. You go down. Then for the turning piece, which we were really confused about, on the left stick, that's what happens when you turn it left.
Go really fast.
It just turns. Opposite way.
You can change the speed of it, I think.
I'm doing that's full.
Yeah, but you can change it in settings.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you can. So then for forwards, on the right stick, just push it forward or up, whatever one you prefer. And it'll go forward. Fast, the more you push it, faster it'll go. So if I put it a little bit, it'll come back very slow. And it's coming back very slow. If I bring it all the way really fast, right back, it'll come back very fast. Then for going left and right, on the right stick, move it left, and you go left.
Self-explanatory. You're going behind things now. Go up a bit. Oh.
That's to the right. But if you're facing yourself, it's all inverted. So if I push forward, it comes towards us. If you push back, it'll go away from you. If you're not used to it, you can use home lock.
It's always front on the aircraft.
It's the same with going left and right on this. If you push it if you push it right, it'll go left.
That's facing towards you.
Yeah, and if you push it left, it'll go right because it's facing towards you. So everything you push on the controller is from the drone's perspective, but on home lock, it's from your perspective.
Yeah.
So,
Just watch our other video.
yeah.
Right, so if you want to land it, you want to bring it over where you want to land it.
So for instance, we're using this landing map, which I can't actually see where I am. So a good thing to do is tilt your camera right down.
Tilt the camera down.
And you can see the ground. So you're too close to yourself for doing this. It's not the easiest thing to do.
Remember your direction as well, because right now this is not facing
That wasn't very good, but it was a landing because we were in a, if you can see them, we're in a very tight space.
Yeah.
Very tight. Right.
You also want to bring your stick down slowly.
Yeah.
So
For instance, don't just hammer it down like that. Do it like that, because it may tip. Or you can just use automatic.
Right. We really don't need to do this, but for hand launching, you want to hold it by the leg, with your thumb not like there.
Not there. So I'm going to demonstrate. We're going to actually do it.
Yeah?
Turn on the propellers. If
Yeah.
you feel that tug, you let go of it.
No, you don't. Not the first time it tugs. The second time it tugs when you're actually putting the motor on. Hand launch. Hand catch. I'll do it. For a hand catch, you want to bring it down just to your level. So now that. So now I can reach out, grab the leg. Whoa. Grab the leg when I've got.
And just bring the stick down.
You can do this by your own, but it's harder.
It's easier to have two people. So guys, now on to the DJI Go app. So, down here you have all your like video settings. So if you just go into here, for instance, you can turn on like Instagram. You can have an exposure warning. In fact, just so it tells you what parts of your shot are exposed. You can have a Instagram, which I don't even know what that is actually. A grid. You can have center points. They're quite handy actually. You can choose what point to be in the centre of your screen, like we have there. Next, you just goes off. These wee dots here, so this takes you to like your general settings. You've got your measurement units, you've got measurement units. You've got your settings for the drone's Wi-Fi. That's the controller settings, but you have Wi-Fi settings, so you can change the password for the drone Wi-Fi, for instance. You have your battery temperature and voltage. There's 27 right now. And you can change the warning, yeah. And you can get your gimbal settings. So if you want to calibrate the gimbal, you go to gimbal auto calibration. Next on the list, that's back to start. Right, moving on, we have up on this original GPS, there's more settings. So you can, from here it tells you your flight mode. If you've got to calibrate the compass, you just push calibrate, your IMU, you've got your remote controller, bloody body. And you've got your gimbal status down here, and your SD card, and you can also format it from here. I think that's it. Oh yeah, you've got your map down here, but we don't have Wi-Fi right now, so it isn't showing it. So guys, that's been it from us today, and we'll see you next week. Also, don't forget to like,
comment, subscribe, turn on that bell,
if you want to see us every week,
and stay for the bonus footage.
Bonus footage?
The bonus footage.
Okay, the bonus footage.
The bonus footage.
The bonus footage.
Where I crash my drone.
Okay, where he crashes his drone. Right, bye guys.
Mm-hmm.